Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the watch and remove the band so you have clear access. Hold the case steady. Apply 30 to 40 degrees of gentle heat for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Once done, place a small suction cup and lift slightly. Slip a thin plastic pry tool into the gap and work around slowly. You want even pressure to avoid bending the case. Make sure to keep small screws organized as you expose the internals. Do not rush this delicate first step. Once the back is off, carefully lift the old gasket and adhesive. Use a plastic pick so you do not scratch sensors. You should inspect the battery edge, charging contacts, and any corrosion. Clean with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth. If the seal is deformed, replace it exactly. Alignment matters. Apply new adhesive tape or a thin bead of approved watch sealant in a 1 to 2 mm even line around the perimeter. Make sure components sit flush before closing. Align the back cover carefully and lower it straight down. Press evenly so adhesive seats without gaps. Reinsert screws and tighten incrementally. If you have torque specs, use them, otherwise snug but not over forceful. Power on and test the screen, heart rate and charging contact. Connect via Bluetooth to confirm functionality. Finally, perform a quick splash test or shallow water check. If you detect moisture or functional errors, reopen the case. Inspect the gasket seating and adhesive continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.